Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
What is going on? Good morning. Here is your 1 minute of daily motivation coming straight from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your quote for today. G.R.I.N.D. Grind. Get ready. It's a new day. Come on, people. Let's get up and get out there. We have all been given a brand new fresh day to go and make something big happen for ourselves. Finish that thing you didn't finish yesterday. Start to learn something new today. Become the person that you've always wanted to be and always try and be the hardest worker in the room. A little progress each day can only create big long-term results.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.